Okay, hello, my name is Tyanna White. I'm here to talk to you about a specific tool function, y equals x to the third power. This is what it looks like. Kind of looks like a squiggly line across the graph. Okay. To go into detail about this specific tool function, the x-intercepts are 0. As you can see, there's no intersections. None across the y-axis, neither on the x-axis. So the x-intercept is also 0. The domains, all reals, it never touches. So it just continues to go up, or any sort of direction. The range keeps on going. So it's an infinite amount of what the range could actually be. Okay, now we can talk about increasing, and decreasing. This increases and also decreases. There are negatives and positives. So yes, this actually increases and it also decreases. There is concavity. Concaves here, and also right here. So you can see, it's like a bowl. That's how you would know the concaves. Okay, now we can talk about the vertical side of this wonderful toolkit. As you can see, it looks like two bowls. This is what it looks like. It's all opposite. And I'm loud. Okay. Yeah. So it looks like it's just two squigglies. Basically, it's the opposite of it going across the y-axis. That's what happens when the circle just goes across the y-axis. So of course it's gonna look almost exactly the same. And for the horizontal, it looks the same as if you were just to put a negative just on the x. It would look just like the vertical one. So I added 4 and it ended up putting right here on the horizontal. So this is what it looks like. Exactly. This is the original version and this is the horizontal version right here. So yeah.